Hey, come back here. No, get out the car. Come here. Get out the car. Turn around for him. Put your hands behind your back. All right. So right now, you're just being detained. All right. Stop! Get the off! Get out! On your way!
In tonight's episode, Bodycam footage captures a tense traffic stop that unfolds on LA 431. Watch as a routine encounter with Brendan Nicholas quickly escalates, revealing delays, heightened suspicion, and critical moments leading to a dramatic and tragic outcome. Stay tuned as the story behind the flashing lights is told through real police recordings and eyewitness commands. Right.
Driver! You can come on back here for me. Come on back here for me, please. Yeah, get out and come on back here. Come on over here for me, man.
Outside, my phone dropped.
You good? Let's get over here. We ain't in the road. So, take police. The reason why I'm pulling you over, you got tail light out.
It's not out, it just got tape on it.
You can't see that thing at all.
My bad. If you pull it off, you can. It's on.
What happened to it? It's just broke?
Car wash did that.
Man, what car wash you go to?
The little car wash, like down on 74.
What side? What side 74? Towards like airline, or you talking about back towards like St. Gabriel?
No, close by like what it is. Almost right there by Dutchtown, by the school.
The one across from Harvest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make sure I stay away from that one so I don't break your headlight or none.
Yeah,
Taillight or none.
I usually try to wash it myself. It just happened like about a week ago.
Damn.
It just happened, sir.
I got you.
I'm going to pick my wife up from work.
Is it your car?
Yes,
Registered
sir.
to you?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. You got your license on you now?
It's in the car.
All right, cool. You gonna grab it for me?
Yes, sir.
Look, before you go reaching any guns or anything in the car?
No, sir.
Perfect. Go ahead, grab it for me.
After eventually stopping and meeting the trooper, Nicholas explained the taillight issue and reached for his license at the officer's request. As they approached the open car door, the trooper smelled marijuana and spotted a semi-automatic pistol on the floorboard. The trooper immediately told Nicholas he was being detained. Suddenly, Nicholas resisted arrest, lunged into the car, and appeared to reach for the gun.
Hey, come back here. No, get out the car. Come here. Get out the car. Turn around for him. Put your hands behind your back. All right. So right now, you're just being detained, okay? Stop! Get the off! Get out! On your way! Right now, you're just being detained, okay? Stop! Get the off! Get out! On your way!
Shot fired.
Code 4. It's in the car. Driver took off. Had a gun at his seat. Reach around the car.
Fearing for his safety as Nicholas attempted to drive away with the trooper partially inside the vehicle, the trooper drew his firearm and fired several shots while withdrawing from the car. Nicholas sped off, leading the police on a short chase before coming to a stop about 1.5 miles away.
Tail lights out. We're heading north of 431. Be stopping near dead lane. Driver! Get out of the car!
Hit.
1050. Drive.
Good.
1050. Suspect stop near Prescott Drive. Driver, get out of the car!
Can you tell how many times it's occupied?
One-time black male with gun on the floorboard by the driver's seat.
Backup units arrived and found Nicholas critically wounded. They attempted life-saving measures, but Nicholas was pronounced dead at the hospital. Police later recovered the firearm Nicholas discarded along the route, confirming it was his by forensic testing. It was also discovered that Nicholas, a convicted felon, was not legally allowed to possess a gun. The incident remains under investigation by Louisiana State Police and will be reviewed by the District Attorney's Office. This tragic encounter highlights the unpredictable risks of routine traffic stops and the split-second decisions made under pressure, reminding everyone of the serious consequences when law enforcement encounters escalate so quickly. Thank you for watching this real-life encounter from Louisiana's highways. Brendan Nicholas's story, like many others, reminds us of the unpredictable nature of police work and the risks faced by all involved. Subscribe for more police body cam video and let us know your thoughts about tonight's events in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and stay aware.